everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eugene. A special welcome to those of you who are new. And today we're going to look at long division. The last lesson we did, or it was the first lesson in mathematics, we did some very basic stuff related to division. So those of you who have not watched that video, I would suggest that you do so, because a lot of the things that we discussed in that video are related to what we are going to do today, which is long division. And those are the basics, and if you are able to apply those basics to the long division problems that we're going to do today, then everything will be smooth sailing. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the lesson. Welcome to our second mathematics lesson. Now today we're going to continue on the topic of division. Now in our previous lesson, all I did was to lay the foundation for you to take on what we're going to do today, which is long division. That's the thing that we tend to fear, the long division. Nothing is wrong with long division. It's not difficult. It's just that we're going to have more steps to do. So this first one here that I put here is one that will be similar to what we did in the previous division lesson. Very simple. All you need to know is your timetable. And might I add, you need to know your timetables or your multiplication tables in order to do division. You must know it, because it's just simple steps like these you're going to involve to do bigger problems like this and even bigger. You're just going to apply those simple steps. You must know your multiplication tables. So if you didn't know it, you need to pick up that multiplication table and start studying it again. All right, now here we go. This is how we set up a division problem. Now the 18, which is called the dividend, goes inside, and the 9, which is called the divisor, goes outside. And our answer is going to be called the quotient. That's what we call the answer in a division problem. The quotient, it goes on top of that horizontal line. So let's go. 9 into 18 goes 2 times. We have to know our timetables, our multiplication tables. The next step is to multiply. If you notice, we have some steps over here. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So the first thing we do is divide. So 9 into 18 goes 2 times. Next step is to multiply. So 9 2 give you 18. And the next step is to subtract. So 18 from 18 leave nothing. So that's it. Now we don't have anything to bring down, so we don't do the fourth step because there's nothing to bring down. So let us go on to the next one. So we have 126. Remember, the bigger number goes inside and the smaller number goes outside. So it's 126 divided by 3. So let's go. 3 into 1 you can't, so we say 3 into 12 goes 4 times. Then the next step is to multiply 3 4s, 12. The next step is to subtract. Then after subtract, then we bring down. So we're going to bring down the 6. Bring down the 6. Right, so we're going to say now 3 into 6, and that goes 2 times. So we'll put the 2 exactly up there. So 3 2s give you back 6, and 6 from 6 leave nothing. So our answer is, or our quotient is 42. Okay, let's do a final one, and this is 4,826 divided by 2. So first of all, let us set it out over here. So the 4,826 goes inside, and the 2 goes outside. So the 2 is the divisor, and the 4,826 is the dividend. So let's divide. So we're first going to say 2 into 4, because remember we divide into each digit individually. So we say 2 into 4 goes 2 times. 2 2s, 4. Then we subtract. 4 from 4 leave nothing. We could put a 0, but we could leave the space just the same. Bring down the 8. So now we're going to say 2 into 8, and that goes 4 times. 2 4s, 8. We subtract. 8 from 8 leave nothing. So we're going to bring down the 2. So we're going to say 2 into 2 goes 1 time, and 2 ones give you 2. The next thing to bring down, the next number to bring down is the 6. And by the way, let us put our subtraction sign here. 2 from 2 leave nothing. So the 6 is going to go here. And we're going to say 2 into 6 goes 3 times. 2 threes give you back 6. And 6 from 6 leave nothing. So our answer is 2,413. Alright, we could put a 0 here if we want to. Alright, if we leave it is just the same. So we're going to check to see if our answer is correct, because in our previous lesson what we did, we proved that our answers were correct. So what we did was to multiply the quotient, which is the top number, by the divisor, and we are supposed to get by the dividend. So let's go. So it's 2,413 multiplied by the divisor, which is 2, and we're supposed to get by the dividend, which is the number inside. So 2 3s give you 6, 2 1s 2, 2 4s 8, and 2 2s 4. So there we go. So our answer is correct because we have proven it down here. So we have checked it, and we have found out that it's correct because we end up with the with the dividend. So we know that is correct. All right, so that's it. That's it for today, folks. I hope you have found that lesson useful and informative. Please remember to like, share, comment, and most of all, if you have been enjoying these lessons, please press that subscribe button. So until next time, I want to say thank you.